Welcome to Artificial Intelligence, AI, a deep dive presentation. Understanding AI, its types, applications and future. What is artificial intelligence, AI? AI enables machines to mimic human intelligence. Tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, and understanding language. Examples: Siri, Google Translate, ChatGPT. What are the core components of AI? Machine learning, ML learns patterns from data. Deep learning, advanced ML using neural networks. Natural language processing, NLP understands human language. Computer vision interprets visual information. Robotics combines AI with mechanical systems. Expert systems emulates decision-making of human experts. Types of AI by capability. Narrow AI performs a specific task, example, recommendation engines. General AI performs any intellectual task a human can, theoretical. Super AI surpasses human intelligence, hypothetical. Types of AI by functionality. Reactive machines. No memory, just reactions. Limited memory uses past data for decisions, example, self-driving cars. Theory of mind understands emotions and intentions, under development. Self-aware AI, conscious AI, not yet developed. How AI works. 1. Data collection, gather training data. 2. Algorithm training, learn patterns. 3. Learning phase, model adjusts to improve accuracy. 4. Inference, make predictions on new data. Applications of AI. Healthcare, diagnostics, robotic surgery. Finance, fraud detection, risk assessment. Education, personalized learning, grading automation. Transportation, self-driving cars, logistics. Retail, recommendations, customer service. Agriculture, smart irrigation, crop monitoring. AI in action, self-driving cars. Computer vision detects objects and signs. Sensors, LiDAR, radar, cameras to perceive environment. ML models, predicts behavior of other vehicles. Decision-making AI, determines safest driving actions. Challenges of AI. Bias and fairness in data and algorithms. Privacy concerns and data misuse. Lack of transparency, black box models. Job displacement due to automation. Security risks and adversarial attacks. Ethical decision-making responsibility. Future of AI. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, human-like intelligence. Human-AI collaboration, enhancing productivity. AI regulation, ensuring ethical use. Quantum AI, next-gen performance and problem-solving. Summary. AI simulates human intelligence in machines. Key types: narrow, general, super AI. Applications span healthcare, finance, transport, and more. Challenges include bias, privacy, and ethics. Future holds exciting possibilities like AGI and quantum AI. Thank you. Questions and answers raise through comment section or through mail communication.